Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. Today we've got an exciting topic for those of us in our 40s and 50s. Retirement ready, building your online empire. If you've been wondering how to secure a sustainable income for your golden years, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the world of online business opportunities that can change your retirement game. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty of online business, let's talk about the changing landscape of retirement. Traditional retirement plans might not be enough, and that's where building an online empire comes in. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities to allowing us to create income streams well into our retirement years. So why choose online business? Well, it offers flexibility and the chance to pursue your passions and the ability to work from anywhere. Plus, the right strategies, you can create a business that generates passive income, money that keeps coming in even when you're sipping a margarita on the beach. The key to a successful online empire is doing what you love. Whether it's writing, teaching, cooking, or crafting, there's an audience out there for almost everything. Think about what you're passionate about. We'll come back to this later when we discuss specific business ideas. Before we go any further, I wanted to take a moment to mention that I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. It's an excellent course if you ever wanted to learn about YouTube and how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. It's totally free to check it out. Okay, let's dive back in now. Let's explore some online business opportunities. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. It's a great way to dip your toes into the online entrepreneurship without creating your own product. Another fantastic option is e-commerce and drop shipping. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up your online store and sell products without ever handling inventory. It's a scalable business model that can be managed at your own pace. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge and earn money while helping others. Blogging and content creation are classic yet effective ways to build an online empire. Share your experiences, tips, and insights through written or video content. As your audience grows, so does your potential for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok offer immense potential for building a personal brand and reaching a wide audience. Consistency and authenticity content can turn your social media presence into a revenue-generating machine. Now that we've explored various opportunities, let's talk about setting up your online empire. This includes creating a business plan, building a website, establishing a brand, and utilizing digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. One of the beauties of online businesses is the potential for passive income. Whether it's through investments, affiliate marketing, or digital products, passive income allows you to make money while you sleep, a crucial element for a comfortable retirement. Of course, building an online empire comes with its challenges. It's essential to stay adaptable, be patient, and continuously learn. Overcoming obstacles is a part of the journey, and the skills you develop will contribute to your long-term success. To inspire you further, I've delved into a few case studies of stories of successful individuals who started their online empires in their 40s and 50s. Real-life examples can provide valuable insight and motivation for your own journey. Joy Gendusa, Postcard Mania. Background: Joy started Postcard Mania, a direct mail marketing company, in 1998, at the age of 27. However, her breakthrough didn't come until her 40s. Her success story is in her 40s. Gendusa took her company online, offering services for online marketing and design. Postcard media flourished, and she became a pioneer in integrating traditional and online marketing methods. The company has since grown to a multi-million-dollar business. Reid Hoffman, LinkedIn. Background: Reid Hoffman co-founded LinkedIn, the professional networking platform, in 2002 at the age of 35. While not exactly in his 40s or 50s, Hoffman's story is notable as he achieved tremendous success in life. His success story, LinkedIn, became one of the most successful social media platforms, especially for professionals. Hoffman's strategic vision and adaptability contributed to the platform's growth, eventually leading to its acquisition by Microsoft for $26.2 billion in 2016, when Hoffman was in his mid-40s. Angela Ahrendts. I don't know if I got that right. That's the best I could do. Her background: Angela joined BlueBerry as CEO in 2006 at the age of 46, and later became the Senior Vice President of Retail at Apple in 2014. Her success story is Ahrendts transformed BlueBerry into a global luxury brand, leveraging digital strategies and enhancing the brand's online presence. After joining Apple, she played a crucial role in redefining the company's retail experience. Her success in both traditional and tech-driven industries showcases the importance of adaptability. Ray Kroc, McDonald's. Ray Kroc is best known for turning McDonald's into a global franchise. He joined McDonald's at the age of 52. Kroc's vision and business acumen turned a small fast food chain into a global empire. His story emphasizes that age is not a barrier to entrepreneurship success, and the ability to recognize opportunities and innovate. It's timeless. Dara Khosrowshahi, that was a tough one. He became the CEO of Expedia in 2005 at the age of 36, and later joined Uber as its CEO in 2017 at the age of 48. His success story he led Expedia through significant growth in the online travel industry. At Uber, he navigated the company through challenges and led it towards profitability. His success in two major tech companies, especially at the older age in a fast-paced technology industry, is a testament to his leadership skills. These cases illustrate that success in business online empires is not limited to age, and individuals in their 40s and 50s can achieve remarkable accomplishments with vision, adaptability, and determination. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. And as usual, thanks for watching.